Good morning everyone. Today is the 22nd of October 2022 and I am in a special garage here featuring this beautiful 1968 Dutch Charger. It is undergoing restoration at the moment, so there are a lot of parts. The engine is in another garage, so it's not here. Maybe I'll take a short video at the other garage too. The engine that it came with was a 7.2 liter engine, but now it is being restored with a matching numbers engine. So the original engine was kept, and now when it is being restored it is going to be again reunited with its original engine, a 6.3 liter V8. Super. As stated already, this is a 1968 Dutch Charger, so it is a second generation Dutch Charger because they were introduced in 1966 but had a different rear end in the 1966 model because they were more fastback rather than with the luggage boot like this one. Then the second generation was also issued in 1969 and 1970. This one, the 1968 model, is like the one identical used in the film Bullet. I will post a clip so that you can relate. The 1969 model was like the film Dukes of Hazzard, and the 1970 model was of the Fast and the Furious. They had minor differences, like the front lights, some details on the side and the rear lights as well, and other minor changes. I don't think that I am capturing the hugeness, the size of this car. It's as long as a minibus. The garage is quite big and it's filling up the garage basically. Now we're here with the owner, Graham. Graham, when did you buy the Dutch Charger?
It was around 3 years ago, October, November 2019.
So 3 years ago, and you started the restoration soon after, or you left?
No, the first 6 months you made some research on the car and who's going to work on the car. So it took me around 6 months. After 6 months, I decided to work with Brian on the body and frame, and Jamie on the
engine.
So
two different guys working, one on the body and one specifically on the engine. Okay, so it took you like a year or so to resume the
after
restoration.
6 months from confirming that I would go to work with them, they booked me, so it took around 6 months.
6 months more. Okay.
Project.
And when you bought it, was it a running car or?
No, the previous owner started the project, but he stopped after a while. So I took it.
So
Not working.
it was in the beginning of restoration, basically.
Exactly.
Okay, okay. So the engines are here, right, in the other garage store?
Yes, yes.
The original engine, the matching number engine, is the one that you restored?
Yes, exactly. It is 6.3 liters, grade 3. It's already ready.
And it's stored and we can't see it, basically?
Yeah.
So let's take a look at the other engines, the 7.2 liter, if it's here. And maybe next time you can take me for a ride, or the next video.
The next video, right, maybe in 2 years.
In the other video. So in the next video we'll talk more about the history of the Dutch Charger and maybe the progress in the restoration. And hopefully you will take me for a ride in the video after that.
Sure.
Thanks a lot,
You're
Greg.
welcome.